I've been feeding my budgies the same food for the last 3 weeks. But that is all about to change. See, I've been trying to get my budgies to breed. See, I want my budgies to breed. Now, after making a nesting box, I had to do more research, and it turns out that they need a balanced diet, which means instead of eating seeds all the time, I need to mix up their diet with a little bit of greens and fruits. So, to spice up their diet, I thought of going with the bell pepper, a carrot, and some spinach. I have more of this, but then yeah. So I found this lead and I'm gonna place the food right here and hopefully it fits in the cage. After all the hard work of cutting and making the perfect meal for my budgies, they did not budge. As you can see, they are not even looking at the food. They have no intention of ever eating it, so I'll keep you guys updated, but hopefully they get hungry enough and at least try it out. Oh, I almost forgot. I did not put the spinach, so I am going to put it in right now. I'm gonna put my camera in. As you can see, I hooked it onto the cage as it's hanging down the cage, and hopefully they do find an interest in the spinach I put in there and they at least try to eat it. I'll keep you guys updated and let you know how it all goes. Seems Ghost is taking a liking into it. And there we go. Ghost is eating the spinach I put for her. I mean, I know it only says a few minutes later, but this was like hours later. I started seeing that Sky took an interest in the spinach and started eating it. That was good. And then on the other hand, Ghost is out here and she's kind of loving the mineral block, and that's good for me because the mineral block is good for egg production. I sprinkle some seeds onto the food. Maybe that will attract them and hopefully it works. With no time at all, adding seeds did have a huge effect because I started seeing them eating, but they were not eating the vegetables, so it was still a problem and I still don't know how to fix it. Eventually, I did start seeing them nibbling a little bit onto the carrots. That gave me hope, and right now as I'm finishing this video, they did eat most of the carrots. Some they threw them away, but be sure to like and subscribe.